Good morning, students. Last video, we have seen the present tense and their subtense. In this video, we are going to learn the past tense and their subtense and the future tense and their subtense. So first we'll start from the past tense. So first is simple past tense. Simple past tense. So what will be the formula of simple past tense? Formula is subject plus verb past tense plus object. Okay, so this is the formula of the simple past tense. Okay, according to this formula, we'll make the sentences. Okay, so first is I ate a mango. Another is he, she, it, you, we, they. And 7. Ate a mango. Ate a mango. Ate a mango. Ate a mango. Okay, so basically whatever the in the past tense, in the simple past tense, what we say that in the simple past tense we use for the action which is done already. Ate. So eat past tense is ate. It is a past tense. Eat past tense is ate. It is a verb. Correct? Basic verb we can say. And eat past tense is ate. Like that. Write past tense is wrote. So you have to make a sentences for wrote. This is the homework. Okay, so here again we'll revise that. I ate a mango, he ate a mango, she ate a mango, it ate a mango, you ate a mango, we ate a mango, they ate a mango. This is the simple past tense. I hope you have understood. Now we'll go for the next, that is past continuous or past progressive tense. Now we will see the past continuous or the past progressive tense. Past continuous or progressive tense. So in these sentences, when the action is in the past times, it is going on, so that time we are using this type of tense, past continuous or the progressive tense. First we will see the formula for it. Subject plus was, word plus verb plus ing plus object. This is the formula of the past continuous tense. What is? Subject, was, verb, verb plus ing and object. This is the formula for the past continuous or past progressive tense. So we'll make the sentences for it. I was eating a mango. Okay. Then for he, she, it was eating a mango. And for you, we and they were eating a mango. Okay, so in this we'll see that I was eating a mango, he was eating a mango, she was eating a mango, it was eating a mango, but You were eating a mango. We were eating a mango. They were eating a mango. For this 3, we'll use a were, and for these 4, we'll use was. Okay. I hope you will understand this. Now you will make the sentences for writing a letter for the homework. Okay, for this past continuous tense. Okay, now we'll see the past perfect tense. Now we'll see the past perfect tense. Okay, so in the past perfect tense, what will be the formula? Subject plus had plus verb past participle and plus object. This is the formula of the past perfect tense. What is the formula? Subject plus had plus verb past participle plus object. Okay, so how we'll make it? How make the sentence? I, he, she, it, you, we, they, everybody had eaten a mango. Had eaten a mango. So for everybody, only this supporting verb is we are going to use. There is no another verb we are going to use for rest of the things. Okay, so in this way, for the 7 sentences, we are going to use the same had eaten a mango. So you will write for written a letter for the homework. Understood this? Okay. Now we'll see the past perfect continuous tense. Now we'll see that past perfect continuous tense. What will be the formula? Subject plus had been plus present participle of the verb, present participle and the object. So how we are going to use it? I had been eating a mango. Okay, so I had been eating a mango, he had been eating a mango, she had been eating a mango, it had been eating a mango, you had been eating a mango, we had been eating a mango, they had been eating a mango. And for the homework, writing a letter. What will become? Writing a letter for the homework. I hope this you have understood. Now we'll go for the future tense. Now we'll see the future tense. In the future tense, we will see the simple future tense. What will see? Simple future tense. So what will be the formula for it? Subject plus will, shall, verb plus object. So this will be the formula for the simple future tense. Okay, so we'll make the sentences for it. Now here, I shall eat a mango and we shall eat a mango. Okay, then rest of the things is will eat a mango, and here also they will eat a mango. So only I and we are going to use shall over here, and rest of the pronoun we are going to use will over there. I hope you have understood. We are using this tense for telling the future action. Okay. Now we'll see the future continuous or the progressive tense. Now we'll see the future continuous tense. So what will be the formula for it? Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing and object. Okay, so here everything will be will be. I will be eating a mango. I will be eating a mango. He will be eating a mango. She will be eating a mango. It will be eating a mango. You will be eating a mango. We will be eating a mango, and they will be eating a mango. This also future, the action which is going to continue in the next time, that is called, for that we are using the future continuous tense. And homework is writing a letter. I think I have not given the homework for the simple future tense. This is for the future continuous and simple future. What will come? Write a letter. For the simple future tense, write a letter, and for the continuous future continuous tense, writing a letter. That you have to do. I hope you have understood this. It is very easy. Now we'll go for the future perfect tense. Now we'll see the next, that is future perfect tense. Okay, now we'll see the future perfect tense. So for this, what will be the formula? Subject plus have, no, subject plus will have plus verb past tense and plus object. Okay, so what was the formula? Look over here. Subject will have verb past tense and the object. This is the formula for the future perfect tense. So now we'll make the sentences for it. That is, I, he will have eaten a mango. Will have eaten a mango. So this is the for all the 7 pronouns. That is, I will have eaten a mango. He will have eaten a mango. She will have eaten a mango. It will have eaten a mango. You will have eaten a mango. We will have eaten a mango. They will have eaten a mango. Okay. So I hope you have understood this, and you will do the homework for written a letter. Written a letter for the homework. Understood this? Okay. Now we'll go for the future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now we'll see the future perfect continuous tense. So in the future perfect continuous tense, what will be the formula? Subject plus will have been plus verb present participle. Verb present participle plus object. Okay, so how we'll make the sentences for it? I will have been eating a mango. So rest of the pronoun also same thing will become. He will have been eating a mango. She will have been eating a mango. It will have been eating a mango. You will have been eating a mango. We will have been eating a mango. And they will have been eating a mango. So like this only come for the 7 pronoun. So I hope this is very easy. You have understood it, and you will make the sentences for the homework, that is writing a letter. Writing a letter. I hope all of you have understood this. It is very easy to understand, but you need to do a lot of practice for it. And I'll provide all the formula along with this video. Please write down the formula and do the homework then and there itself. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.